Alright guys, so we have created a super user now and we have created a category also. We did not yet add add the category, but before that I want to show you guys one more thing, that you should note that this when you log in to the admin panel, we use the username as a login, right? But that's not what we are going to use in this project. Okay, because as you know, nobody uses a username as a login field. Everybody uses email as a login field, right? So when you put email address and password, then login. But in this Django, so it is default that you must use username as a login field. Okay, so what we will do is, instead of using this Django default authentication system, we will create our custom user model. Okay, so that we will override what the Django gives. Okay, we will also take what the Django is giving to us. Okay, it's inbuilt functions, inbuilt models and all those stuff, but also we will override according to what we need. For example, we don't want to use a username for the login field. We want to use the email address, okay, for logging in. So that's what we can do when we create a custom user model, and this is the little bit of difficult topic, and not too difficult. It is, if you know the Django a little bit, then it will not be too much difficult for you, but just it is actually the interesting thing, and it is the very important topic in Django also. Okay, so we will do that in the next lecture. All right, thank you.